If you subscribe to my Instagram, you probably know I drive a Mark 8 GTI. With this purchase comes the ubiquitous temptation of tuner culture. So today, we're going to show you how to remove your stock turbo inlet and replace it with a RacingLine turbo inlet. Thanks for watching 1010's Car Reviews.
Into the corner and let the diff do its thing. Yeah, perfect. Make a right or slow down, and then power through it. Yep, you see how the diff works? Look at the pickup. Stop. It's too much. Wow, that DSG in combination with the
Buzzword turbo inlet.
The diff works. Look at this diff. Wow, look at this diff. Look at this diff. Wow, you got a really good deal.
Yep, it was $185 with shipping. We split the shipping.
Yeah, oh, there's movement. There's definitely. Oh, there it is.
There we go.
There.
Yay! Now show the camera what you're working with here. Ooh, mommy. Ooshkadoosh.
All right. There, it's in. See, who said you needed to take it off? I want to make sure that everything is.
They have such a good logo.
Yeah, I love their logo.
I really love their logo.
But before it wasn't good though.
More from the side.
No, this is as it goes. I was worried about this bit. That's good now.
We'll make it really good.
Yeah, it's crucial. It's tight on there. Yeah, it's like as deep as it, because there's a stopper that tells you when it's all the way in. All right, that's tight.
Cool. Make sure the thing's easier to access for next time.
All right.
All right. She's done. See this in the clip?
Why the fuck is it? No, it's you have to unscrew this, but it's like.
Oh yeah, you had an electric thing for that. Jesus Christ! But they don't have one of those inside. One of those drill hook up to a bendy thing.
I mean,
Where's the screw?
yeah, we got a socket.
This, right?
No, this.
Oh, how are we gonna get? No, we gotta get the bendy thing. Yeah, they had like a.
The fucking rasher.
Yeah, whatever that's called.
piece together all that shit. It takes like 10 minutes.
After?
Huh?
Oh, I understand what you're saying. Still might be faster.
I just took a picture of it. I'm gonna go.
Okay. Also, yeah, he was very specific about lubing it up before you put it in. So can we get some don't go in dry. So can we get some grease inserts here?
Yeah, I'm gonna need a. Just have to try this because it's here. The
Socket. Or that spinny thing.
The fuck? Now it's too small.
It's a poor little engine.
Now can I spin it? It's like I get why you put it there,
I do get it.
but like, come on.
The irony is that the Japanese make shit very accessible, right? Very easy to grab, move, whatever.
I gotta rotate this in order to get to the screw that's holding the.
Yeah, I got it. Older tires in the front, brand new AMG in the back.
That's
So you get like multiple generations.
that's fucked up.
Do not lose that screen.
That's so fucked up. Oh,
What, did you lose
dropped it.
No,
Yeah,
you didn't.
yeah,
No, you didn't.
yeah.
Really?
It's gone forever.
Magnetic?
It's gone.
Pull it as well, like towards you. Okay.
Oh, my fucking ass unscrewed this. I unscrewed the wrong one. Definitely. Oh, there it is.
There we go.
There it is.
Counter. Oh, I see. Yeah, and then slide up. It goes in kind of deep, honestly. It goes in like past where it looks like it does. Give it a nice twist as it will. And maybe the top and bottom too. They have such a good logo.
Yeah, I love their logo.
I really love their logo.
But before it wasn't good. Making sure the clamp is still on.
Is it just the location of where that is now?
Alright, that's tight.
Cool. Yeah, make sure the thing is easier to access for next time.
If you look at mine, that's how it's placed. See? Alright.
Alright.
Alright, so we just installed the turbo inlet pipe. I completely did it on my own.
Tell me when things are terrible ideas.
And then you're gonna make a left immediately. Right here, right here, right here. Yep, right here. Yep. You gotta make it. Yeah, you gotta make it.
Consider it made.
Alright. Alright. Do you notice any difference? None. You know why? Because you didn't get an intake. Because you think that getting an intake makes your car sound like change going down a storm drain.
That's exactly word for word.
You're just...
It's exactly. You listen. That's right.
It does not sound like that. Into the corner. And let the diff do its thing. Yeah, perfect. Make a right. Make a right. Alright, slow down. And then power through it. Power through it. Power through it. Yep. You see how the diff works?
Alan's not getting out of the car. Here's the evidence. Here's me also getting out of the car. Here's the evidence. Here's my feet. Nose how in action mode. Only good here. All right. Let's see what Alan thinks about the no difference.
Alright, coming up here. There is a difference. It's as if your lungs got 1.5 times bigger.
Okay. So it's less work for you to do things.
Yeah. Here, let's see how the diff works. Look at this diff. Wow, look at this diff. Look at this diff. That was full throttle, no wheel spin.
Yep.
And in terms of the turbo inlet, much more
Athletic?
yes.
Yeah.
Contrary to what you said. Look at the pickup.
Now, let's get a shot of me as you do that. Stop. It's too much. You want mode, you want this, then you want to turn the ESC off. Sport. ESC Sport, you're good to go. People say that's so hard, but is it really?
Would it really be better if it said Lanch Party?
Wow, that DSG in combination with the
buzzword turbo inlet. Notice how it downshifted for you?
You don't feel that now.
Yeah, it feels like it breathes better. It does.
It breathes much better.
It's not the most noticeable thing in the world, but
for me it is.
When it gets hot, it's a good thing to have, but you also need an intercooler, intake, all that stuff if you're really going to cool the engine bay down. But it's a good step in the right direction, you know? As mentioned, I jumped on it because it was a deal, and I knew I wanted to do that stuff later, so I figured I might as well get one of the, 3 big ones off the list.
You still need an alignment.
And the suction cup things removed.